What's the meaning of barn? Barn. Barn.
Barn. Barn. A barn is a large building typically used for storing crops or housing livestock. It is a traditional agricultural structure that can be constructed of various materials such as wood, brick, or stone. Barns were an essential part of farming life in many cultures and were used to store agricultural products such as hay, grain, and straw. Livestock animals such as cows, horses, and pigs would be housed in the barn during inclement weather or while being raised for food. Barns also held great cultural significance in many rural communities and were often the site of community gatherings and events.